Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show here about how you start to use the Figma and how you use as mask, and this is already to be important to help you about whenever you want to actually to use this as mask. This is going to be about to go on through this way as soon as possible when it's ready to be about to go on with the progress in this moment that we can actually see ever in this progress that you want through using as mask. First you will actually start to have this kind of that square or rectangle or anything that you want, then click on use as mask. Now as you can see, the mask has been added that is ready to be satisfied over here. That is ready to be done over the way that you can actually know about when it's really ever to be done on that. So that is really everything that you know actually through our progress. If you want to see this in other videos, don't forget guys, subscribe and like.